Is an ignition interlock device required in New Jersey if you are convicted of DWI? An individual convicted of a first offense with a blood alcohol content, BAC, of 0.15% or higher, the municipal court judge is required to sentence the person to use an ignition interlock device, IID, after they serve their mandatory suspension period. If a first offender is convicted with a BAC of less than 0.15%, or where there is no BAC, because the individual refused to provide breath samples, the IID is not a mandatory component of the sentence. Rather, it is discretionary on the part of the municipal court judge. All second, third, and subsequent offenders convicted are required to have the IID installed in their vehicle upon conviction when they have served their mandatory period of suspension. These increased penalties for the IID went into effect on January 14, 2010. There is no question that the IID will remain a component of our DWI statute. In New Jersey, the preset value for the IID is 0.05%. This is the highest preset value in the country. How does the IID work? An individual would have to blow into the IID before starting the ignition of their motor vehicle. As stated, an individual can have some alcohol in their system when they blow into the IID. Another important aspect to note with the increased penalties and use of the IID effective January 14, 2010, is that all individuals convicted of refusal are subject to its provisions. To review, some first offenders of DWI are subject to the IID. All second offenders, all third and subsequent offenders, and all individuals convicted of refusal are subject to the IID. If you wish to avoid a conviction for DWI, get the best attorney you can find. Call Reisig & Associates at 732-625-9660 and tell us what happened.